This is Sunday, so I look like this. Hope all is well. But today, I am making meatloaf bacon cheeseburgers on onion rolls. Let me show you how I prepare it, but be sure to like and follow and subscribe if you want the full recipe. All right, so I just took them out of the oven. I start with cooking it in the frying pan first, and then I put them on a foil-lined baking sheet with barbecue sauce on both sides, bake it for 10 minutes, and then throw cheese on top and throw it in for another 5. So, what I do is I just, and be careful because they will fall apart, but I just grab it like this. Make sure you don't get any foil. Throw it right on your plate here. Right in there. Don't pay any attention to my dishes. And then, after that, you can put anything you want on it. At this point, I'm not going to put anything else on mine other than French fries and pickles on the side. So, we get these little miniature pickles like this. Just the Vlasic. So let's have a taste test. Alright, so I'm back. This is what it looks like. Doesn't that look good? If you want extra barbecue sauce, you can, but let's go. Let's do this. That's good. If you want full recipe, make sure you follow. Right up there, guys. Bye.